Welcome to Explore the Roots. Today we are heading towards Dorothy Dix Park to watch Meteor Shower. We came prepared with our outside blanket, chairs, pillows, so we can enjoy the anticipation. We came early so we can spend some time reading our favorite books. In the dark, surrounded by fellow stargazers who had a glow stick lights creating a magical atmosphere. Personally, I enjoyed this part of our visit because like a kid, I was also making different shapes and trying to capture it with my camera. So it was fun. As the night progressed, we stood in a line for a chance to peer through the telescope, hoping to catch a closer glimpse of the meteor shower or star. But sadly, despite all the excitement and preparation, it turned out to be a bit of a disappointment as the meteor shower didn't make its expected appearance. Sometime I believe that's just how nature works, and while we didn't get to see meteor shower, we still had a great time, enjoyed music, being part of this unique experience at Dorothy Dix Park. I love it. Even when things don't go as planned, I believe it's all about making the most of the moment. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye.